Gemma Marle, and I am taking Travel and Tourism Level 3. When I looked around, it was really, it sort of attracted me. I walked in and I went, wow, I like this college. Compared to all the other colleges, I walked in and I was a bit like, oh, I'm not sure about this. But when I walked in here, I was like, oh, I definitely like this. All the staff were very friendly, very helpful. I got loads of information when I came. And then I spoke to the travel and tourism teachers, when I was looking around this college, and they were brilliant. They gave me so much information, helped me a lot, and went through all the stages with me, what I'd be doing in the course. And then I was like, yes, that's exactly what I want to do for this year. I'm from Burgess Hill, so on the train it's only 14 minutes, exactly. So it's not far at all to travel to college. I think it was because they were chatty, they were very obvious where they were, I could see that they were the travel and tourism industry, and all the sort of books they had laid out, it was really good. I was a bit like, oh, I'm going to have a look at that, and I looked through it, looked through the leaflets, and then I thought, yes. In 2 weeks, I'm going on a cabin crew course for Virgin Atlantic in Crawley, which I'm really excited about, yeah, so I'll get a bit more work experience there. Teachers have been so helpful, they've guided me through. And from my first assignment, I've got a distinction, which I'm very, very pleased about. Yeah, they've all been so helpful, and I've got excellent feedback